Do you know the last date for filing corporate tax returns is on October 31st? But many people ask me, why should I pay my tax on time? We can file it with a delay of 2 or 3 months, right? But here are the top 5 reasons why should you pay your corporate tax returns on time.
1.
Avoid penalty. One immediate consequence of late ITR returns is imposition of penalty. That too 1% of your total IT returns. Not only penalty, you need to pay 1% of interest on tax amount for every month of delay.
2.
Easy loan approval. By paying tax online will help you to get business loans much easier.
3.
Carry forward your loss. By filing the corporate tax returns within the original date, you can carry forward your existing loss to the subsequent years.
4.
Investment. To fetch investment from angel investors or VC companies, you need to have a clear IT returns.
5.
It is our moral right to support our nation's growth, so do it on time. And this is Arif, your business lawyer from The Intelligential Law Firm. To know more about business and registration, subscribe to our channel.